Hi guys. There's nothing much really going on right now. There's some birdies and stuff, and there's the birdies, and that's what we're actually here to talk about. See how close the mama gets, because she has a nest under the porch, and there's nothing much we can really do about that, because you don't want to hurt some babies in an egg. Eggs. So, just kind of do its thing, and we're letting them do it. They've actually done that diving thing towards your head quite a few times, towards people's head quite a few times. Did it to Grandma. Anyway, and today, and to Mom and the Daddy, I guess they were really happy together. Decided, oh, we shall come. Let's get married and have kids. So, it's foggy. The birdies, sorry. No fogs, Yes. Okay, thank you. Bye.